Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've been looking for the perfect hair styler, then you need to get this one.
Meet your all-in-one beauty secret, the 7-in-1 multi-hairstyling tool from Sounxun. No more swapping devices. This tool functions as a dryer, straightener, curler, brush, and more, all in a sleek package. Just select your attachment and dial to your selected heat or speed, and you can style with confidence. The intelligent airflow ensures consistent results without damaging your hair. And whether you are after sleek and smooth, bouncy curls, or soft waves, this tool handles it all. You can transition seamlessly, and I love that you don't have to keep switching out different styling tools. You can just click to the sides and you're able to go from curling one side to the other. I am completely obsessed with that. Having the different heat settings and different power is just so great. It comes with two different barrel sizes for curls. This really has everything you could ever want in an air styler.
Get that perfect blowout look that you've been looking for and get this hair styler. You are going to love it. And that's my point of view.